Hey gamers, welcome to the latest update on everything Xbox Game Pass. If you're looking for the best value in gaming, you're in the right place. We're diving into all the recent announcements, from massive new releases and surprise additions to key titles leaving soon, and updates on cloud gaming and PC features. Xbox Game Pass continues to offer unbeatable value, giving you access to hundreds of high-quality games, including day one access for many major first-party titles. Let's kick things off with an overview of the biggest recent updates and announcements from the world of Game Pass. The library is constantly evolving, and we've seen some huge titles land recently. Let's look at the newest additions you can play now. Recent additions like the massive space RPG Starfield and the stunning racing simulator Forza Motorsport highlight the commitment to big-budget, day-one launches on the service. Don't overlook the indie darlings and surprise additions. Game Pass is a fantastic place to discover hidden gems that might just become your next favorite game. Planning your gaming calendar? It's important to know what's coming soon, and unfortunately, what will be leaving the library. We've got exciting teasers for several anticipated games set to join the service in the coming weeks and months. Keep an eye out for official release dates. Don't forget to check the Leaving Soon list. If there's a game you've been meaning to play, now is the time before it rotates out of the Game Pass library. Beyond the game library itself, let's look at performance improvements and exclusive features for subscribers. Xbox Cloud Gaming is getting continuous improvements focusing on latency and performance, making it easier than ever to stream your favorite games on multiple devices. Ultimate subscribers get even more value with exclusive deals, free in-game content, and special perks that refresh regularly. It pays to be an Ultimate member. PC gamers, we haven't forgotten about you. PC Game Pass brings its own set of fantastic benefits and library additions. We've seen notable additions to the library that are exclusive to PC Game Pass users, offering tailored experiences and catering to the platform's unique demands. PC Game Pass continues to integrate with other services like EA Play, expanding the sheer volume and variety of games available to subscribers at no extra cost. So with all these updates, let's wrap up why now is a fantastic time to jump into the Xbox Game Pass ecosystem. Between the steady flow of AAA and indie titles, ongoing tech improvements, and the sheer value for money, Xbox Game Pass remains an essential subscription for any serious gamer. Ready to dive in? Check out the full library and start playing today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Game Pass news.